Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Dabholi, Surat. Standard 8, Chapter number 8, Question number 6, Exercise 8.2 of the chapter Comparing Quantities. Let's begin with question number 6 of the exercise 8.2. During a sale, a shop offer a discount of 10% on the marked piece of the all the items. What would a customer have to pay for the pair of jeans marked at the 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 of each? Here, rate of discount on all items. So rate of discount on all items, that is a 10%, and mark piece of the pair of jeans, that is a 1450, and mark price of a shirt, that is a 850 for each. Discount on a pair of the jeans, that is a rate multiplication with M market price divided by 100. So rate, that is a 10 multiplication with 1450 divided by 100, that is a 145. So 10 multiplication with 1450 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 145. Okay, so in this way you can find the discount on a pair. Here, selling price of a pair of jeans, that is a 1450 minus 145. I just subtract the discount from the market price, so I got the actual price, which is a 1305. So mark price of the two shirts, that is a 2 into multiplication with 850. So 850 multiplication with 2, that is a 1700. Then after discount on two shirt, that is 10%, and multiplication with rupees 1700, that is a 10 multiplication with 1700 divided by 100, that gives us 170. Then the selling price of the two shirts is equal to rupees 1700 minus 170, that gives us 1530 rupees. So we have to calculate the discount and selling price of the first of all for the one shirt, and that is, and second for the two shirts. So that is the customer have to pay one for the selling price of the pair of jeans and selling price of the shirts. So that is a 1305 plus 1530 is equal to 2835. Next, question number 7. A milkman sold two of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000. This is the most IMP example and much difficult, so try to understand in first time. Okay, so on one the made a gain of a 5%, and another is lost the 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. Here they gives us hint, find the CP of each. So here SP means selling price for the each buffalo, that is a 20,000 rupees, and SP of two buffalo means selling price of the two buffaloes, that is a 40,000. If one buffalo having price 20,000, this is the common, that if we sell the two buffaloes, that gives us 40,000. Then after one buffalo is sold at rupees 5% in gain, they earn the profit 5% from the first buffalo. Let CP be the rupees 100, then SP is equal to 100 plus 5. So that is a 5% gain at rupees 100. So how much rupees gain of the 2000 rupees? So let's we calculate that. When the SP is 105, then CP is 100. Then the SP is rupees 1. Then how much CP? So that is 1 multiplication with 100 and divide with that, that is a 105. So 100 divided by 105 multiplication with 1 and divide by multiplication with 20,000, that is a 19,047.62. Another buffalo is sold at rupees 10% loss. In first buffalo they gain the 5% of profit, and then after they are selling, then the CP means here that counter price, that is a 19,047. okay, so another buffalo sold is at 10%. So let's we find the actual price after the cutting or adding profit or loss in that. So let the CP be the 100 rupees and SP, that is a 10% loss. So we have to cut 10 rupees from the 100 rupees. So our actual selling price, that is a 90 rupees. When selling price is 90 rupees, then the counter price, that is a rupees 100. So when the SP is rupees 1, then the CP, that is a 100 divided by 90. So we have to make cross multiplication 1 with 100 and then divide that with the 100 by 90. So the SP is rupees 20,000, then the CP is equal to 100 divided by 90 and with multiplication with 20,000, that gives us 22,222.22. So main the cost price, that is a 90,047 plus 22,222.22, and the summation of that is 41,269.84. Here the CP is greater than SP, therefore here it is loss. CP minus SP, that is a 1,269.84. Then the question number 8. In the question number 8, a price of TV is rupees 13,000. The sell tax charges on it is the rate of rupees 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay it he buys it. So here cost price of the that TV is rupees 13,000 and here sell tax is applicable for 12% of the slab. So let cost price be 100 rupees, then the SP for the purchaser, that is 100 plus 12, that gives us 112. So if we have cost price is 100 rupees, then we have to sell it with rupees 112 rupees if we want to apply the rate 12%. So when the CP is 1 rupees, then the SP is 112 divided by 100, because I just here find out the cross multiplication 1 with multiplication with 112 and divide with that by 100. So when CP is 13,000, then the SP is equal to 112 divided by 100 multiplication with 13,000. So we just directly multiply that with 112 divided by 100 with 13,000, that gives us 14,560. okay, then the question number 9. In question number 9, Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount give was 20%. If the amount he is paid rupees 1,600, find the market price. So in this example you have to just find out the mark price, nothing else. Okay, so let's try to that example in your homework. Okay, thank you.